Hello, welcome to Petronics. In the previous video, I give you the demo of DocuSign integration with Podio. In this video, I will show you the integration of Podio with another e-signature service, which is PandaDoc. PandaDoc is an important and popular e-signature service which is used by many of the clients in the real estate industry as well as in many industries for sending contract documents and offer documents for e-signature to their sellers and buyers. PandaDoc is a big competitor of DocuSign, and it is also less expensive as compared to other e-signature services. Here PandaDoc has built-in integration with other CRMs like Salesforce, Zoho, HubSpot, Pipedrive, but it has no built-in integration with Podio. So team at Petronics has made this integration possible using Zapier. So now I move to the PandaDoc. Here you can see that there are different templates which have uploaded in PandaDoc. In this video, I will work on this tenant contract purchase agreement with second seller. I have opened this template in this separate tab. You can see these placeholders in yellow color, which will be replaced by the actual values from the Podio app. Once you will send document from Podio for e-signature, first it will replace all these placeholders with their actual values, and then it send the document using email at the email address of seller 1, seller 2, and the buyer, which is a company owner in this case. These documents will be sent in an email. The user will open the email and click on open document. The document will be opened in PandaDoc and then he can sign. So now move towards Podio. Inside Podio, we can send document for e-signature to our leads in any of the app in which we have integrated PandaDoc. So far we have integrated this PandaDoc in 5 apps, but in this demo I will show you how can we send document for e-signature from our seller leads. We can also track the statuses of all the documents in our PandaDoc status app. You can see the entries of the statuses of different documents in this app. Here are the different views from which you can track that how many of the documents have been sent today, how many of them are in pending stage, and how many of them have been signed. For sending documents for e-signature, we can open any of the lead. I have opened my lead Petronic Seller 1. Here is the seller name is Petronic Seller 1, which is the seller 1. This is its email address. And then we shall move in the contract details section. Here, if we have the option of selecting second seller yes or no. If the second seller is no, this document will be sent for e-signature to only seller 1 as well as the company owner, which is a buyer in this case. and we can put the email address of that buyer in this company email. In this contact details section, we will fill all these fields: second seller name, its phone number, its email address, and contract offer amount. Contract type here may be tenant or owner occupied. In this case, it will be tenant. This is the APN amount, title company, EMD, and other things will be filled out, which will be replaced by these placeholders when this document will be sent to the seller or buyer for e-signature. Once you verify that all of your informations are filled out, you can click on this Generate Contract button. When you will hover on this button, you can see on the right side a pop-up open where you can see that which fields are necessary and compulsory for generating the contract. If you miss any of these fields or keep empty any of these fields, then it will show an error message in comment section that please fill all of your fields. You can click on Generate Contract. It will change its contract status to generated, as well as it will also attach a preview file in this comment section from which you can verify that either all the details are filled properly or not. So let's click on Generate Contract. It changed its status to generated, as well as it printed in comment section that contract generated successfully, and also it has attached a file at the bottom, tenant sales contract. You can click on this file link to preview that all the details are filled properly or not. Once you preview that all the fields and all the formatting is correct, you can send document for e-signature to your sellers and buyers simultaneously using this send contract button. Once you will click on this button, it will change the contract status to sent, as well as it will create a new entry inside PandaDoc status app, and the status of document will be pending because this document has not been signed with all of the receivers. So now I click on the send contract button. It changed its status to sent. Now if I move to the PandaDoc status app and refresh it, it may take some time for the entry to be created here. So after 10 to 15 seconds, it created a new entry and the status of that document is pending. Now if I open my emails, you can see that this email has been received to the seller 1, also received to the seller 2, and also received, if I refresh it, at the email address of the company owner. Now I will open an email. Here is the open the document link. I can open the document for all of three my seller 1, seller 2, and the buyer. Here you can see that This is the today date. This is the name of the seller 1. This is the seller 2. This is the company name. This is the APN amount. Let me verify this. This is the same APN amount is present here. Yes, you can see that 12546. So all the field values are filling properly at the proper place and the formatting is absolutely correct. We can enter our initials here. And we can sign at our own place. It will not allow us to signature at any other place. So for signature, I will click accept and sign, and then I can put the date of today. After this, I can finish the document. Now, if I go to the seller 2, it can place its signatures and initials at its own place. Can sign at the required place. And then it can initials and then click on finish. Now it has also been received at my own company email address, and this is the buyer initials. I can sign here. Okay, an error occurred. It may be due to some server issue, like I can reload it. And then I can finish the signing process. Once the signing process is finished, all the receivers will receive an email at their email addresses of the completed document. Once the document is signed by all of the signers, now if I move to my PandaDoc status app, you can see that the status of the document has been changed from pending to signed. So here, this is the contract type and the status has been changed to signed, as well as these are the email addresses at which the document was sent for signature. You also have document download link here. You can download your completed document from this link. So this was all about the integration of PandaDoc with Podio. We will also bring many other integrations like Zillow to VideoCarrel and all these tools for you. These all tools can be integrated with Podio, and we will show you that how can we integrate these tools with Podio and how can these tools be helpful for you. For more services, you can visit our website petronics.com. So thanks for watching this video.